This stock just exploded 68% in just 17 days. And now everyone is asking the same thing. Today we need to talk about Nebius Group, ticker NBIS, because what's happening right now is not normal. Since the start of 2026, this stock is up nearly 90%. And moves like that, they don't go unnoticed. But here's the real question. Is this real growth or just hype? Right now, NBIS is in price discovery. That basically means there's no clear resistance anymore. The stock keeps hitting new highs, and the market is trying to figure out how big this company can actually become. And there is a reason for all this attention. Nebius has been landing massive AI deals. We're talking connections with companies like Meta and Microsoft. Billions of dollars in long-term potential. But here's the interesting part. The stock didn't move right away on this news. Investors are only now starting to realize how big this opportunity actually is. And it gets even bigger. Those big tech deals might only be part of the story. Because companies like OpenAI, Anthropic, and others are growing extremely fast. But they have one major problem. They don't have enough computing power. And that's where Nebius comes in. Now here's where things get risky. All this growth requires massive money. Nebius is planning to spend around $16 to $20 billion in 2026 alone on data AI infrastructure. And that kind of spending, it usually leads to dilution or debt. So now investors are stuck between two outcomes. More spending could push the stock higher, but more dilution could pressure the price. And after a move like this, a slowdown wouldn't be surprising at all. In fact, it would be completely normal. If the company raises capital at these high prices, we could see volatility hit very fast. So what about the big question? Can NBIS hit 200? Long term, it's possible. But short term, this stock is already running hot. Right now it's driven by momentum, hype, and very high expectations. And don't forget, everyone is jumping into AI right now. New companies, crypto miners, startups, all trying to grab a piece of this market. Not all of them will survive. But Nebius does have a strong position because of its ecosystem.